show the tab on top. Yeah. Yeah.
Where's the camera? Camera can look at the tab also. Where's the camera?
Yeah. Okay, next.
Okay, now Anand will show us the second feature. Can I get one camera on the table? On the dials? Did you? Okay. The second feature we're talking about is again, which is
not the way we do press conferences. This is actually for an evening function where we are inviting all the trade partners from the entire South Zone for a very, what would I say, important launch, which is going to be the first time, not only in the country, but the first time in the world. We'll hear more about that later. No, I am here essentially just a text before my qualified colleagues will talk about patient. You know, we all play and live, as they say, it's very cliched, the VUCA world, volatile, uncertain, complex and ambiguous world. And in such a world, there are a lot of imponderables, right? And whatever happens in our country here has its linkages which go beyond the geographical boundary of our nation. You know, all of us, always look at with bated breath what's happening to big players in the US and then what ramification it has had in our country. The US economy is reviving. But that means growth for my colleague, Amal, who heads marketing and sales, to talk to you about today's function and what we are essentially, assembled here to share with you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, a big thank you for joining us for this press conference. Specifically, if I say it is a category which does well more so from the festive onwards. So if you look at festive onwards, this category has been doing well. Though overall, I think at the all India level, it has not shown much of growth. It is a single-digit growth. But I think in the last couple of months, we definitely see an upward trend for this category. Specifically, segments which are the high ends, which is your traffic and controlling segments. Now, if you look at this industry, Indian consumers, and I would like to emphasize on this point, because it is not to just bring about a machine for consumers of this country, but to develop a product which is relevant to this country. I think that's what is more important. And if I go back in 2007 when we launched DAC in the fully automatic segment, it was very well appreciated and very well liked by consumers.
Our new age, fully automatic Godrej Launch with the ultrasonic feature machine. I would like to tell you something about the washing machine. The much has been done by Mr. Kamandati. Washing machine industry, I always call it a sunrise industry. It's a sunrise industry. And why I call it a sunrise industry? If we leave these 2 years where the industry is not grown, otherwise, industry has taken a growth of an average CAGR of 15%. And the penetration level is just 8%. It's only 8%. And the trends what we are seeing in the society, we are seeing more of nuclear families. This is our new Godrej Launch machine. Just I am moving it sideways so that you can look at the aesthetics of the machine. Now I'll move it vertically. At this machine, you must be seeing the lid of the machine. This is a short glass from German. And you can see the machine, the customer can watch at the washing process completely. I'll take you to a unique feature which the U Sonic feature which we will be seeing in the world for the first time. See how simple it is, to remove the stain. You just have to swipe your cloth on the machine. Very, very simple. Nothing much has to be done.
All seasons.
I'm talking about another excellent feature of the machine. That's a detergent mixer. Putting the detergent to the detergent mixer.
Detergent mixer. The detergent mixer ensures 100% mixing of detergent with water before it even enters the drum. This ensures that no detergent is left in its solid state. This is achieved by spiral flow of water in the detergent mixer, which holds the solid detergent till it has fully dissolved in water. The detergent filter then blocks unwanted particles from entering the drum, thus ensuring protection of the machine and your clothes from undesired consequences.
Now this is, you'll be looking at the Aquajet, which is inspired from the jet engine.
Aquajet pulsator. The Aquajet pulsator with bliss is developed with an aerodynamic design, a technology similar to that used in modern airplane engine rotors. With massive depth of about 2.5 inches, the pulsator offers larger surface area, causing better scrubbing and drum. The gravity drum in bliss not only has embossed contours on its surface, but also ensures vertical rotation of clothes. Hence, clothes at the top are also pushed down and get in contact with a powerful pulsator, post which they are pushed up again, making way for other clothes at the top to move down.
Yeah, these are the few features.
Technology that are building, some of them which you can't see. So Anand is here. This technology is actually from the, this is AR technology, augmented reality, which is already there in the Google Play, it's a Play apps, right? Play Store. You can download from Play Store, Google Play Store. This